Hey everyone, welcome back to Code With Me. If you're aiming to become a full-stack web developer in 2025, you've come to the right place. What is full-stack web development? A full-stack developer is someone who handles both the front end, what users see, and the back end, server-side logic, and database management of a web application. In simple terms, a full-stack developer is the king of web development. Step 1. Master the fundamentals of web development. Start with front-end technologies. HTML, structure of web pages. CSS, styling and layout. JavaScript, adding interactivity. Step 2. Version control and GitHub. Learn Git to manage your code and collaborate with others. Git init, Git add, Git commit, Git push. Step 3. Front-end development. JavaScript frameworks libraries. React.js, most popular. Vue.js, flexible and beginner-friendly. Svelte, modern and super fast. Step 4. Backend development. Choose a backend language. Node.js, JavaScript, Python, Django Flask, PHP, Laravel, Java, Spring Boot. Learn about APIs, server handling, and database management. Step 5. Master databases. SQL databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL. NoSQL databases like MongoDB or Firebase. Step 6. Authentication and security. Implement JWT, JSON Web Tokens. Learn OAuth for third-party logins. Understand password hashing and data encryption. Protect against SQL injection, XSS attacks, and CSRF. Step 7. Build real-world projects. Portfolio website, e-commerce platform, blogging website, chat application. Step 8. Deployment and cloud platforms. Deploy your projects on AWS, Heroku, Vercel, or Netlify. Learn Docker and Kubernetes for containerization. Step 9. DevOps and CI/CD. Continuous integration and continuous deployment. Load balancing and caching. Step 10. Keep practicing and stay updated. Contribute to open source projects. Build side projects. Stay updated with new technologies. The ultimate goal. A full-stack developer can build complete web applications from scratch, handle both client-side and server-side logic, and deploy them to production. If you're serious about becoming a full-stack developer in 2025, follow this roadmap. Keep practicing, and never stop learning. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Code With Me, and I'll see you in the next one.